Good morning, children. How are you? You're good today. Is there any absentees? Very good. Perfect attendance. Now, let us all stand up for our prayer. Lord, thank you for this day. May this lesson be successful. In Jesus' name, amen. Okay. This time, I will show you a video, children. Video presentation, and you are going to answer some questions after that. So, watch attentively, listen carefully, and enjoy.
The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth. The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth. The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth. The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth.
Evaporation comes when the heat from the sun warms up all the groundwater, then it turns to water vapor. Condensation takes over, it goes up to the clouds. Water vapor cools down and it changes to a liquid. Precipitation happens when the drops get big. It falls like rain, snow, sleet, and hail upon my head. I know it's the water cycle happening again. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation.
The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth. The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth.
Evaporation comes when the heat from the sun warms up all the groundwater, then it turns to water vapor. Condensation takes over, it goes up to the clouds. Water vapor cools down and it changes to a liquid. Precipitation happens when the drops get big. It falls like rain, snow, sleet, and hail upon my head. I know it's the water cycle happening again. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation.
The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth. The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth. Evaporation comes when the heat from the sun warms up all the groundwater, then it turns to water vapor. Condensation takes over, it goes up to the clouds. Water vapor cools down and it changes to a liquid now. Precipitation happens when the drops get big. It falls like rain, snow, sleet, and hail upon my head. I know it's the water cycle happening again. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation. The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth. The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth. The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth. The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth.
Children, do you enjoy our video? Okay. Now, my question for you is, what is the video all about? It is about the water cycle. Very good. Next, what are the three phases of water cycle? Evaporation. What else? Condensation. And then precipitation. Very good, children. Let's give everybody a good job clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Let's proceed to our activity. That is called the raft. This is the acronym for letter R. The role of the writer. This is who or what you want to be and your knowledge and point of view as a writer. These are the examples of roles. Plant, lungs, earth, white blood cell. Next, for letter A is the audience. Audience to whom the product is being directed. After establishing your role, you will need to identify who you want to be your audience. Who are you writing for and who you want to be talking to. Examples of that are leaves, brain, sun, and red blood cell. Next, for letter F is format of the product being created. This is the style that you want to present or address to your audience. Examples of formats are thank you letter, persuasive speech, love letter, romantic poem, or it can also be a dance, a commercial, or persuasive speech, or anything you want to be your style. Next is the letter T. What do you think is this? The topic. Very good. Topic of the product. This will be your subject of writing. In here, you can brainstorm about what you want to write and why you want to write it or why you want it to be your topic. Okay. So now, class, these are the examples of topic for all of the things you do for me. Why quit smoking and how we work together. Also, I will keep you safe. Again, let us read. Role, plant, audience, leaves, format, thank you letter, topic for all of the things you do for me. Another, lungs for the role, brain for the audience, persuasive speech for the format, and why quit smoking for the topic. Another is earth, the role, the audience is the sun, the format is love letter, the topic is how we work together, and lastly, the role is white blood cell, the audience is red blood cell, the format is romantic poem, and the topic is I will keep you safe. Okay, do you understand, class? Okay. Now, I will divide you into 3 groups and I will pass out these activity sheets or paper sheets that contains the possible roles, audience, format, and topic. Okay? And then, you will create a graph that depends on the indicated topic on these paper sheets. I will give you 5 minutes to present your output. Understand? Do you understand? Okay. This is for group 1, group 2, and group 3. Okay, for group 1, they choose the graph That is about for the role for their role, they would be an environmentalist that would want to persuade the community to stop illegal logging. Okay. Their audience would be the citizens in the community. Then their format, they will make a persuasive essay about the role of the trees in the water cycle. Okay. Then the topic is about the roles of trees in the water cycle. Then for number 2, they chose the role about farmers that are asking for rain to save their crops. And their audience will be the clouds and the sun. Format is they will choreograph a rain dance to save their crops. Final is the topic. Their topic is the role of water to the plants. Lastly, for the group 3, they will make a graph about role is they will be an artist that starts to craft a commercial about the importance of water cycle. Commercial about the importance of water cycle. Then, audience is the TV viewers. The format is they will craft a jingle in a commercial that tells about the importance of water. Then the topic is the importance of water cycle. Okay, do you understand? Now, for me to know if you are finished doing your task, you will make a yell and so that we will know who would be the first, the second, and the third group who will present. Very good, group 3. They are the first group who had finished their work. You may present now.
The water cycle is an important process that gives water for all, regulates weather of our planet, and give life to living organisms. Yeah, if water didn't recycle, we would run out of water, which is essential to life, Fresh water seems abundant, but the supply is limited. So we should conserve and protect the planet for the future generations to meet their needs. So evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and surface runoff are important phases of the water cycle. Is an important process. It gives water for all, regulates weather of our planet, and give life to living organisms. If water didn't recycle, we would run out of clean water, which is essential to our life, the water cycle.
Good job! Let us give them a good job clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job! The second group who had finished their work is group 1. Okay, you may present
Trees
your
and
graph.
forests play an integral part in the water cycles, and it maintains the healthy ecosystems in our planet. It acts like a sponge. Trees can filter out impurities in water before it passes back through their leaves and roots. The environmental effects of illegal logging includes the forest degradation, the loss of biodiversity, and the emission of greenhouse gases, which results to climate change. So we, as the environmentalists, are promoting the public awareness in support of the nature conservation, and we should increase our participation in forest protection. We promote tree plantings and justice and punishment for illegal loggers. We should not ignore this big problem of our world because we are gonna lose everything. So we hope that more environmentalists and more people are going to start joining us. This is for all of the children. This is for our future.
Very good, Group 1. Let us give them a good job clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. The other groups will also present their raft. Congratulations, children! You have successfully presented your raft. See you on our next meeting. Goodbye.